Hello, my friend. Today we are going to show you how to make a cap embroidery with the new model HM-1501. Firstly, we need to get the accessories ready. The cap hook station. We fix it on the table or on your own table first. And then we get the new hoops, cap hoop, and do small adjustment to make it suitable for your cap. Here has a screw. Loose the screw, you can adjust the position of the cap hoop. And then we put the cap hoop on the hoop station. And then we get a piece of backing stabilizer and put it on the cap hoop first. And then we assemble the cap on it. Input it. And the head has a bone in the middle. It should be the same as the line on the cap hoop. Then we fix it. We fix it well, and we use connects to stable. And then we remove the cap from the cap station. It has 3 connects, 1, 2, and below 3. We press these 3 parts and remove the cap. And then we assemble the cap attachment on the machine. On the rail, it has 2 gaps. We put the screw in the gap and then fix it. The other side, the same, fix it. After we assemble the cap attachment on the machine, we come to the computer operation. Firstly, we off the embroidery mode. And then we come to the frame selection. Select the cap frame. Save the change. Yes. After frame selecting, the frame will move automatically and stop in the center. And then we assemble the cap on the cap attachment. After all this preparation, we come to the computer operation. In the computer, it has 2 steps, preparation and embroidery. We come to the preparation step first. Select the design you want to embroider. Save the change. Conform it to embroidery mode. Press yes. And then we select a color for the design. You can select a color according to the thread color you put on the thread tension base. After color selection, press OK. And then we move the frame to make the design embroider at the area you want. because when we select the cap frame, it automatically stops in the center. So if you don't want the design embroider in the center, you can adjust the position like this. Move the frame. And in the middle, you can adjust the frame movement speed. L means low speed, H means high speed. After you adjust the position, you can trace outline to check whether the design will be embroidered at the area you want. We have red laser position to help you locate the embroidery area. And if you want to embroider the design in a certain position, you can press down the presser foot and then do trace again. In this way, it can locate the position more precise. And after you press down the presser foot, you want it to go back. You only need to press the 100 button on the computer, and it will go up. After all this preparation, we can press EMB button and make the machine working. The machine is automatic. After you finish all these settings, you can make the machine working and it will finish automatically after finish.